How to fix slow download speed on Telegram app 2025 quick fix. Script. Is your Telegram download speed very slow? Here are quick fixes that actually work. Step 1. Check internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your router or turn on/off airplane mode. Make sure your internet is stable. Open Telegram again and test the download. Step 2. Disable Data Saver 1. Open Telegram. 2. Go to Settings, Data and Storage. 3. Turn off Data Saver. Data Saver limits download speed. Step 3. Allow background data. Android. Go to Phone Settings, Apps, Telegram, Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Enable background data and an unrestricted data usage. Step 4. Clear cache. 1. Open Settings, Data and 2. Tap Storage Usage. 3. Tap Clear Cache. This often fixes slow downloads instantly. Step 5. Update Telegram. Go to Play Store or App Store and update Telegram to the latest version. Extra tip. If downloads are still slow, the file may be hosted on a slow server or the channel may have heavy traffic. Try downloading later. Final summary. Check internet, turn off data saver, allow background data, clear cache, update app. These steps usually fix slow Telegram download speed quickly.